Welcome back to Start a New Business series, presented by the School of Coding and AI in association with the University of Wolverhampton. Moving forward, today we're diving into one of the most exciting steps for any entrepreneur: building an online presence. If you've ever wondered how to build a website, set up social media profiles, or establish your online presence, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating a website. Your website serves as a digital shopfront where customers may learn about you and your products. Don't worry, you don't have to be a code genius to make one. Begin with a user-friendly platform such as WordPress, Wix, or Shopify. Keep it simple with clean designs, easy navigation, and a legible font. Most importantly, underline your critical information: who you are, what you do, and how to contact or buy from you. Your website is your online headquarters, so make it shine. Step 2. Setting up social media profiles. These platforms allow you to connect with your audience where they already hang out. Use the channels that are right for your company: Instagram and TikTok for visuals, LinkedIn for professionals, and Facebook for community interaction. Apply consistent branding, such as your logo, colors, and tone of voice, to all profiles. Regularly share valuable information, like suggestions, behind-the-scenes looks, or client shoutouts. Social networking is all about developing relationships. Step 3. Establishing an online footprint. Building your online footprint entails making your presence known across the internet world. Here's how to increase your reach. Claim your Google business profile so that others can discover you simply. Encourage reviews on venues such as Yelp and Trustpilot to foster trust. Collaborate with influencers or blogs in your niche to increase visibility. Every small step you take builds a solid internet presence. Step 4. Pulling it all together. When you combine a quality website, active social media profiles, and a larger online footprint, you have a digital presence that attracts customers and distinguishes your company. And remember, consistency is essential. Keep turning up, and this is how you establish your web presence. It may need some effort, but believe me, the benefits are worthwhile. Now, here's a small teaser. Our next video is all about starting your business. We'll discuss how you plan an outstanding launch event, build enthusiasm, and attract those first consumers. You will not want to miss it, so click the subscribe button and stay tuned.